Subscribe for latest tech videos on the daily basis and hit the bell icon so you do not miss any of our notifications. Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unveil Universe. So today we are going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy S9. So there have been a lot of hype for this phone on the market and the introduction of this phone was amazing. The launch of this phone was fantastic. I was watching it live and even I was live on that day on YouTube. So I have a lot of expectations from this phone and I liked it a lot because of the features it has, the CPU power it has, the camera and everything. So let's begin and open it up. So let us see how the box looks on the outside. It says Samsung Galaxy S9 on the front, and on the back it has the specifications which was already leaked a couple of months ago before the release of the phone itself. On the top it says the display size, and the second one is super speed dual pixel camera. That is a dual aperture lens that can be manipulated to 1.5 or 2.4 according to the light. Super slow-mo, that is 960 frames per second, and that's killer feature of this phone. And the third one is the 8 megapixel autofocus selfie camera with stereo speakers tuned by AKG IP68, dust and water resistant iris scanner, 64 gigs of memory and 4 gigs of RAM, wireless charging and earphones tuned by AKG. So let's open the box and see how the phone looks inside and what are the different contents in it. And here we go with opening the seal and cutting down all this seal and have a look at the phone. So here we go, some paperwork and SIM ejector tool and warranty cards, paper stuff and all those boring works. I'll grab the phone for the first time. How does it look? It looks good. And actually I've got a Samsung Galaxy S8. So compared with the Samsung Galaxy S9, how similar these two beasts look side to side. Let's check the other accessories available in the box. What are these accessories? And we have the OTG cable, which is very useful for transferring data from your hard drive or any of your flash drives into your phone, and USB type C to micro USB, and that is also very useful to convert some of those chargers into micro USB, and a power brick that is European type. So let us see what we have got on the other compartment. So we have got a cable from USB type A to USB type C, and some extra earpieces and a headphone by AKG. So here is our Samsung Galaxy S9, and I'll remove all the plastic covering this Samsung Galaxy S9 all over around. There are many plastics on the chrome, on the front, on the back, on the camera. I'll remove every plastic from it. So let us see what is the difference between a Samsung Galaxy S9 and a Samsung Galaxy S8 on the outside. The placement of the fingerprint sensor on the rear panel is now just below the camera lens, and they look pretty similar in the dimensions of every aspect, from the side, from the bottom and from the top. So as we compare them on the basis of the dimensions, they look pretty similar, but there is a decent amount of difference in the height of Samsung Galaxy S9, which is a bit shorter as compared to Samsung Galaxy S8. So the Samsung Galaxy S9 is a bit compact to hold and has a better grip as compared to Samsung Galaxy S8. It has confirmed that the Samsung Galaxy S9 is 20% more durable than its predecessor. If you want to know more about Samsung Galaxy S8 versus Samsung Galaxy S9, I have done a comparison. I'll give a link in the description as well as up in this video. Watch it there. So let us start the Samsung Galaxy S9 and I'll boot it up. We'll see what is inside the Samsung Galaxy S9 and how does it feels and what are the different features of Samsung Galaxy S9 which have been advertised for so long and are making this phone to have that great hype in the market. So I am still starting up the phone and I'm accepting different terms and conditions, and whatever it is asking me to do, I have to do it and go right into the phone and see how it feels and show you. The phone has booted up and we'll check the camera app, how it has been improved a lot on this Samsung Galaxy S9, and it gave me a notification. I don't know, let it be. Let's check the autofocus. It feels good, automatic. And we'll go to the next one, that is the selective focus. We'll see how does the portrait mode works here, and the edges are fine. Yep, it works fine. All the edges, it has kept the edges to be sharp. So I'm gonna test the Pro mode on this phone. The Pro mode on Samsung Galaxy S8 was awesome. Now let me check the Pro mode on Samsung Galaxy S9. Does it still feel the same? Okay, it has a crisper image and a brighter image sensor now, so it should work fine, and it is working on a great scale. The Pro mode on Samsung Galaxy S9 is improved as compared to Samsung Galaxy S8, but there is not a big of a significant difference. But you can check the super slow-mo on this phone, and I'll show you how the super slow-mo works here. So I'll just twiddle my fingers and see if it can capture the motion of my fingers, and we will see how slow it is. So here you can see my fingers twinkling little by little. Ooh, yeah, that is it. So you can see the super slow-mo here and how does it feels and looks. So let us check the AR emoji feature on Samsung Galaxy S9 and how does it feels and looks on the real world. And I'm not a great fan of AR emojis. I won't be using it for so long. I was just playing with that emoji. So this was the video, and what do you think about the Samsung Galaxy S9? How does it looks on the first look? And my reviews from the first look are that it looks pretty similar to Samsung Galaxy S8, and it is not a great update from Samsung Galaxy S8. It is just a minor upgrade from Samsung Galaxy S8, which is having the same features, exactly the same features, with some of the tweaks and tweaks done perfectly, and the perfection is not there, but they have tried a lot. The Samsung has done a good job on the outside to make it a bit compact, but I would say that it is pretty same as the Samsung Galaxy S8. As I've said in the past videos that it is not a phone for Samsung Galaxy S8 users. If you are using Samsung Galaxy S6 or Samsung Galaxy S7, this is a great update for you. You can go for updating your phone to Samsung Galaxy S9 if you are using a Samsung Galaxy S7 or S6 Edge. Instead, if you have an older phone, you can go with S9. But if you are using last year Samsung Galaxy S8 or Note 8, you are pretty on the same ground and there is no use of upgrading your phone. That's all for today, and thank you for coming. It was a great time with you guys. So it would be very nice if you could subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me, and if you could share this video to your friends, it would mean a lot to me. Thank you.